The 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am arrived at a time when the American automotive industry was undergoing a dramatic transformation. The golden era of raw muscle was fading, squeezed by tightening emissions regulations, rising insurance costs, and a growing demand for fuel efficiency. Yet in the middle of this shift, Pontiac managed to create a car that not only preserved the spirit of performance, but also became one of the most recognizable symbols of the 1970s American car culture. At first glance, the 1977 Trans Am projected confidence and aggression. Its long hood, low stance, and wide track gave it a purposeful look that stood apart from the increasingly subdued designs of the era. The front fascia featured a split grille and quad rectangular wheels, giving the car a focused, almost predatory expression. But it was the hood that truly defined its identity. Dominating the surface was the now iconic Screaming Chicken decal, a bold phoenix graphic that seemed to rise from the engine bay itself. This design element was more than decoration. It became a cultural statement, instantly linking the Trans Am to rebellion, speed, and individuality. Underneath its striking exterior, the 1977 Trans Am carried the legacy of American V8 performance, though in a slightly restrained form compared to earlier years. Buyers had a choice of engines, including the Pontiac 400 cubic inch V8 and the Oldsmobile-sourced 403 cubic inch V8 for certain markets. While horsepower figures had dropped compared to the peak muscle car years of the late 1960s, the Trans Am still delivered strong torque and a satisfying driving experience. The 400 V8, particularly when equipped with the optional performance packages, provided a deep, rumbling exhaust note and a sense of power that remained unmistakably American. The driving experience of the 1977 Trans Am was shaped not only by its engine, but also by its chassis too. Pontiac engineers focused on balancing comfort with performance, resulting in a car that could cruise effortlessly on highways while still offering responsive handling for its size. The suspension setup, combined with wider tires and improved steering feel, gave drivers confidence behind the wheel. It wasn't a razor-sharp sports car, but it delivered a unique blend of muscle and touring capability that appealed to a broad audience. Inside the cabin, the Trans Am offered a driver-focused environment that reflected the era's design trends. The dashboard wrapped around the driver, placing controls within easy reach. Gauges were clear and functional, often including a tachometer and additional instrumentation that reinforced the car's performance image. The seating was comfortable, designed for long drives, and often featured distinctive patterns or materials that matched the exterior styling. Options such as air conditioning, power windows, and upgraded audio systems added a layer of luxury that made the Trans Am more than just a performance machine. One of the defining aspects of the 1977 Trans Am was its ability to stand out during a time when many performance cars were losing their identity. While competitors scaled back their offerings, Pontiac leaned into bold design and branding. The car's visual presence was matched by its marketing, which emphasized excitement and individuality. This approach resonated with buyers who still wanted a sense of performance and style, even as the industry shifted toward practicality. The cultural impact of the 1977 Trans Am cannot be overstated. Its appearance in popular media helped cement its status as an icon. The car became associated with freedom, adventure, and a certain rebellious attitude that captured the imagination of a generation. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was a symbol of a lifestyle, representing open roads, loud engines, and a refusal to conform to changing norms. Production numbers for the 1977 model year reflected its popularity. Despite the challenges facing the industry, the Trans Am saw strong sales, proving that there was still a significant demand for performance-oriented cars with distinctive personalities. This success helped sustain Pontiac's reputation as a performance brand during a difficult period and ensured that the Trans Am name would continue into the following decades. The engineering compromises of the era, particularly in terms of emissions and fuel economy, meant that the 1977 Trans Am was not the fastest muscle car ever produced. However, its appeal went far beyond raw numbers. It offered a complete package: bold styling, a powerful presence, a satisfying driving experience, and a strong emotional connection with its owners. In many ways, it represented the evolution of the muscle car concept, adapting to new realities while maintaining its core identity. Over time, the 1977 Trans Am has become a highly sought-after classic. Collectors and enthusiasts appreciate not only its design and performance, but also its historical significance. It stands as a reminder of a transitional period in automotive history, when manufacturers had to rethink their approach to performance and find new ways to capture the imagination of drivers. Restored examples often highlight the craftsmanship and attention to detail that went into these cars. From the carefully applied decals to the polished engine components, every aspect of the Trans Am reflects a commitment to creating something special. Even in unrestored condition, the car's character shines through, with its aging paint, worn interiors, and mechanical quirks telling a story of decades on the road. Today, the legacy of the 1977 Trans Am continues to influence automotive design and culture. Modern performance cars may offer far greater power and advanced technology, but few can match the raw presence and cultural impact of this classic machine. It represents a time when cars were not just transportation, but expressions of personality and freedom. The enduring appeal of the 1977 Trans Am lies in its ability to connect with people on an emotional level. It captures the essence of an era, blending performance, style, and attitude into a single, unforgettable package. For many, it is more than just a car. It is a symbol of a bygone time, a piece of history that continues to inspire and excite. In the end, the 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am stands as a testament to resilience and creativity within the automotive industry. Faced with challenges that threatened the very concept of the muscle car, Pontiac responded with a vehicle that not only survived but thrived. Its combination of bold design, engaging performance, and cultural significance ensures that it remains one of the most iconic cars ever produced, a true legend of the road that continues to captivate enthusiasts around the world.